Today we are going to learn about the curves. So for that you need to know a couple of definitions very quickly. It's not very tough. The blacks are basically the darkest parts of the image that have no details. The whites are the brightest parts of the image that have no details, and these 2 points are on the left and right respectively. So the left one is called the blacks and the right one is called the whites. So if we increase the blacks, we get a white image, and if we try to decrease the whites, we get a black image. So these are the darkest and the brightest spots which have no detail. That's why we get a solid color at the end. So then comes shadows, midtones, and the highlights. Shadows are basically the darkest parts of the image that still contain some kind of details. The midtones are basically between the shadows and the highlights, so they also contain details. And the highlights are basically the brightest parts of the image that contain details. So if you want to remember this, just remember the 3 points in between always contain the details. The end 2 points never contain any kind of a detail. They are basically blacks and whites. So if we want to increase the value, then I have to pull the curve up, and if we want to decrease any value, I have to pull the curve down. So this applies to any anchor points as well as the RGB colors, which we will come to right now. So I'll just quickly tweak this, and I'll just get the kind of a mood that I want, and then we'll just jump to the red channel of the RGB curve. So when we try to manipulate the reds in the image, we have to understand that if we pull the curves down, we are actually increasing the cyan values, and if we pull the curves up, then we are increasing the red values. Rest, everything remains the same. Everything from the blacks, the shadows, the midtones, the highlights, and the whites, everything, the whole value stays the same. So if we want to tweak it down, cyan is added. If we want to tweak it up, the reds are added in the midtones and then in the highlights. So to sum up the red channel, if you want to increase any point, you are increasing the red values, and if you're decreasing any point, you're increasing the cyan values. So if we then go to the green channel, when we increase the anchor points, we are actually increasing the intensity of the greens in the image, and if we are decreasing the points, we are actually increasing the magenta in the image. So I'm just showing you in all the points, like the highlights, the midtones, and the shadows, what it actually affects. Similarly, if we go to blues, we are actually increasing the blues if we increase the curve, and we are increasing the yellows if we decrease the curve. I have tried to explain a very basic idea of what the curves look like, and I hope it is easily understandable. So just by tweaking the curves, we have started to get a beautiful tone to this image. So if you guys like this tutorial, do let me know in the comments below, and if you really like it, I would love if you share this video. Thank you so much.
Girl about a 10, I should fuck her in the Benz.